dedicated showstopper ng Canada na si AC at ang independent size princess ng Sanlan, Ashley. Oh! Hi, AC! Welcome back to the outside world.
Ramdam natin yung kalungkutan na at syempre ramdam natin yung pagmamahal ng mga sumusuporta kina AC and Ashley dito mismo sa tapat ng bahay ni Kuya. Welcome back to the outside world, AC and Ashley.
Of course, we are going to give a moment for Ashley and Mavi. But AC,
Atras ka na, show. Nakikita kami mo.
grabe talaga. Welcome back to the outside world, AC and Ashley. I know na napakataas pa ng emosyon at this point, but siguro ano na lang yung pinaka-miss ninyo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
The housemates. I love them so dearly. I love them so much. And I've grown to love them so much more, and I will do what I can dito sa labas to protect them and show you guys that they are all such wonderful people.
We see that sobra talaga.
Ramdam natin Ashley.
Hello po, salamat po sa lahat ng mga thank you. Nakamiss ko yung mga housemates ko at lahat ng mga pinagdaanan namin sa loob. And make you a better person. I'm so proud of you, AC, my duo. I'm so proud of you.
Alam mo, you both made us so proud. Diba?